Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. Sorry for the audio quality in advance. I'm away from home, away for the holidays, so we're just going to have to record some video with this kind of sound quality, but it will be back to normal probably from the 26th. But to get straight into it, we're looking at Tesla in this video. We can see we're currently at $126. We have closed below our first deviation of around 140 to 145 on both the 6 month and the 1 year. This is key to note because this is usually quite a bearish indicator. If we start closing below, we expect a move to continue to its next deviation. Now, before that happens, one thing we would expect to see is at least a pullback. Looks like it could be starting to form now, but overall, before we hit $95 or $96, you would expect a pullback at a minimum to 140 to 145. Again, this is key because this is basically a confirmation zone. And that can be of either direction. We should come back to test this level, even if we're going to continue lower, come back to test this and then continue down. Again, if you hit this level and then you start to see selling pressure kick in or close back below this level, it's a good indication we're probably going to continue lower, and $96 would be that target. On the other hand, if we end up breaking back above 145, getting to maybe a close or two above this level, then that is a good indication that, okay, we kind of went oversold, buying pressure has come in, and we want to stay above this level now. That's really what I'd be looking for. This 140 to 145 is kind of the key thing I'd be looking at. Now, if we do continue down, then obviously we had that target like we spoke about at $95. If we break that, we're then looking at $85, going lower to $47. And really, we have a final level at $30. Now, the kind of $47 and $30, don't think they're all that achievable. I wouldn't pay too much attention to them. But if we do come back to retest this 140 and you continue to see this selling off pressure, I don't think $100 to around $95 is out of the picture. That seems quite a probable level, especially if markets continue weak. Now, on the other hand, if we're maybe a bit more bullish on the stock, you want the upside targets. Like we said, if we kind of break and close above 145, then we're looking for a move probably back to statistical mean. So this would still be quite a lot of upside, and we would be looking to trade to around $193. Then between $193 and $200, I wouldn't look to trade this stock. Reason for that is the two statistical means. We've got one at 193, one at 196, and obviously you've got the psychological level at 200. Now, that is somewhat considered fair value on Tesla, so I wouldn't be looking to buy or sell around this level. I would instead wait for a break to either direction before trading opportunities start to show themselves again. So if we push to the upside, I would be paying attention to 240 and 251. And these, again, when I would probably flip a bit more than short bias on the stock, just because then we're becoming a bit more overbought. And if for any reason I was holding long through this through these levels, that would also be used as a target. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the breakdown on Tesla. If you did want to, drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.